Nilpeter stand at the moment, and I'm interviewing Paul Teachout. Paul is the Vice President Sales and Marketing North America for Nilpeter. And you joined Nilpeter how long ago, Paul?
I've been with Nilpeter 3 months now, Vice President Sales and Marketing for North America, but I come from 24 years of background in press manufacturing. The last 6 years with a major analog tool supplier handling the OEM accounts. I'm very excited to be here at Nilpeter to handle the North American strategic movement going forward.
Fantastic. And at the show, Paul, when people have been visiting the stand, what have they shown most interest in?
I think what we're seeing is customers are really wanting to take advantage of the automation level of the machines now, the total job recall, the gearless plate sleeve designs that just allow for better automation and better efficiencies on the press floor. That accompanied with the expanded gamut process that is very popular now. It's a perfect marriage of the process and the level of inline capabilities to be able to bring that process to light and really gain in the efficiencies on the equipment.
What specific automation technology, if you have two machines here, what specific automation technologies are you showing here for the first time?
What we're really showing here is, especially on the FA4 Asterisk, which is now offered as a 17-inch offering for the North American flexible packaging market, is really a high-level automation for a total job recall and a gearless plate roll sleeve design. It's a triple-axis machine, so we can capture all the automation as a snapshot as a production run, so we can recall that production run in the future with no operator intervention and no operator adjustments to the equipment. So the make-readies are done at 0 speed, generating no waste. So when customers see a make-ready done where you're generating no waste and you're back up and running to a job you ran a year ago, and it shows that level of efficiency provided by this level of automation, it's very attractive and really shows well.
Right. So you had the new FP4.
Yeah, the FP4 is a flat processing unit. It's a hot foil and embossing system. It's the latest innovation from Nilpeter, and it provides the highest quality of embossing and hot foiling for the attractive wine and label spirit or wine and spirit labeling market, which we're really being more aggressive with. So that this platform, now provided in North America, we're going to soon start building this platform in North America with these types of features on it. So it will be sold, built, and supported right here in North America, and that's a big step for us here at Nilpeter to really move forward into that market segment.
So a couple of very interesting things you say that I'd like to perhaps expand on a bit. You're talking about the flexible packaging market. Do you see a growing crossover between label or narrow web converters moving up into it to take advantage now of the film market?
Yeah, I mean, it has been a trend. It's an ongoing, the market continues to grow for flexible packaging. It's a very great market segment for us to enter. With this 17-inch offering, built, sold in North America, it's going to allow us to be very, very competitive. With this level of automation, with the gearless plate roll sleeve design and the job recall, tying it together with process control like the expanded gamut, printing by the numbers, the level of efficiency, getting into that market to meet the demand of that market, this press is a perfect fit for it.
Right. And the other area is the process colour printing in Flexo, which 5 years ago was really not on the agenda of most narrow web converters. But what factors do you think have made 6 or 7 colour expanded gamut printing possible on the Flexo machine today?
I think, well, mostly as we get back to the level of automation, because you can hold precise registration. And if you're going to build multiple spot colors out of multiple screens with the expanded gamut process, the precision of your registration has to be at a very high tolerance, less than 1/1000th of an inch. Otherwise, your color your color hues shift. So you have to be able to have a very precise automated platform to be able to perform that application on an inline press. CI presses, central impression presses, wide web presses in the past, this expanded gamut process flourishes on it because it's one impression roll. So for us to bring this process to an inline machine with multiple impression cylinders, we have to have high-level automation, high and precise register and web transportation control for the process to work on these machines. Now we have that ability, and with the automation and the total job recall, where we can capture all the automation in that snapshot, the expanded gamut process will flourish, because now it's a simple plate exchange and a recall of job, and you're back up and running the way you were a year ago with no operator intervention. So it's really fantastic.
So on the pre-press becomes much more important now in terms of analog selection,
yes,
in terms of the separation.
Absolutely. The analog tools have to be profiled. You have to run a fixed colored ink set. The plate package has to be fingerprinted and characterized to match the performance of the machine. But that with the software that's now available for the 7-color process, for the inline process, makes an ideal fit to put on a platform this precise with this level of automation. It's a perfect fit.
Right. On the converting end of the press, in terms of the after changeover dies, has there also been?
We've had some great innovation there. We now have a die station that is completely automated, but it also offers a quick, easy, and probably the safest way to exchange a die in less than 10 seconds. And the people that have seen it on the show floor are quite amazed. It's very simple, it's very intuitive. It's a raising of the guard, a die slides out, a die slides in, the guard comes down, the automation does the rest. It happens as fast as I just said it. It's really amazing, and the people are really pleased to see that, because now it brings the converting section at the same level as the rest of the machine. So the quick change features, the efficiency, the productivity, everything goes up, and ultimately that's profitability.
Thank you. Just one last question. Obviously, a lot of things happening with the digital side of the market at the moment. It seems to me that a lot of converters don't realise how much is happening in terms of the efficiency on the flexo side. So when you look at the machine like these two presses here, it really does, in your opinion, if you add in the process colours as well, fast changeover, the fact you don't have to wash down between jobs, it must affect the crossover point between digital.
It does, and that's kind of the, for the FB3 with the expanded gamut process, and whatever process we apply the presses to, with the automation we have, we can do it with either, but it really provides a flexographic solution to meet the digital challenge. Now it's a simple recall of a job and exchange of plate cylinders. The automation resets the job. We're back in the impression and register with zero waste while the press is sitting still. I mean, that is very, very competitive to the digital offerings now. So we're very excited to have this level of automation with this level of process control, working by the numbers, and being able to share that with our partners. And the theme of our show is join us at our technology center, and in Denmark or in Cincinnati, where we're completely renovating for a brand new showroom. All this equipment will be brought back to that facility, and we're very anxious to have our open house and our release of our new technology center and share all this information with our partners. It's very exciting.
Thank you, Paul.
Andy, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.